In this video, let me show you how to fix Wells Fargo mobile deposit error. Now, the main reason why this fails is due to the physical check image formatting issue. So what mostly happens is people take a picture of the check on a light surface. So what you need to do or ensure is that you place your check on a flat as well as dark and a non-reflective surface, and also eliminate any sort of shadows. Make sure that you write the correct endorsements as well. You must physically sign the back of the check and then manually write for mobile deposit. Only then the mobile deposit will go through. Now, if this is not the case for you, secondly, what you could try out is try to clear out the data and cache of the application. If the first case was not your case, this may be happening due to app glitches or app bugs. So in this situation, you could just reinstall the application of Wells Fargo onto your device. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.